Hello, student. Welcome to my channel, A Journey of Exploring Education. Today, you will see the presentation of Miss Mansi Kurne on insurance services. So, let's see the presentation.
Hello everyone, my name is Mansi Kurne. I am studying in BBA second year. Today I am here to present a case study on insurance company that is Edelweiss. So here we go with introduction. Introduction. The Edelweiss Group is one of the India's leading diversified financial services company, providing a broad range of financial products and services to a substantial and diversified client base that includes corporations, institutions, and individuals. Edelweiss products and services span multiple asset classes and consumer segments across domestic and global geographies. History. Edelweiss Broking Limited was publicly incorporated on 7th February 2008 after Edelweiss Group had received final regulatory approval from the Securities and Exchange Board of India to start its mutual fund business by 2008. Edelweiss Broking Limited is an Indian financial service company based in Mumbai, India. The company is subsidiary of Edelweiss Group, which was founded by Rashesh Shah. Now we will see the chart about Edelweiss Insurance Company. Edelweiss asset base is 59,400 crore. 8,623 crore is the revenue of Edelweiss. There are 475 offices located in 200 locations. 11,938 team members are in Edelweiss and 12 lakh clients. So now we will see Edelweiss principles. First one is they will be fair to their clients, their employees, and all stakeholders. They want their clients and their employees to be richer for their relationship with them. Second one is they will take care of people seriously. Their policies in spirit and in letter will ensure transparency and equal opportunity for all. They will go beyond the normal goals of attracting, recruiting, retaining, and rewarding fine talent. Third one is they will focus on growth for their clients, employees, and shareholders. Fourth one is their reputation and image is more important than any financial reward. Reputation is hard to build and even harder to rebuild. Their reputation will be impacted by their ability to think for their clients, maintain confidentiality, and by their adherence to their value system. They also had some proud moments for best stockbroker, best brokerage firm, most promising brand are some of the many accolades they have received. Edelweiss has been awarded the BBC Knowledge National Digital Marketing Awards 2017 for the best mobile app in consumer service, and also ABP BFSI Awards 2017 for the best use of mobile technology in financial sector, and best broker in India in the Finance Asia Hong Kong Country Awards 2016, best corporate governance in 2016 from the London UK, best capital finance international jury, having earlier won it in 2013. So many. Thank you.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.